Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to style your hair in a simple way. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. First of all, I'm going to be doing a side part. Don't forget to work on a stretched hair. My hair is stretched here. I stretched my hair with twist. If you want to see the video, I'll leave the link in the cards or in the description. Don't forget to check it out. I'm just going to twist this part up and keep it in place. So I'm just going to put my hair now into a puff. It wasn't easy at all to put my hair in this puff. Big hair struggles. So if your hair is as thick as mine or thicker than mine, it will be best you do this in sections. If you do not know how to do this, I'll also drop the link in the cards or in the description box. You can check it out. So I'll move ahead to the front now to flat twist my hair. Make sure it is not tight because you are going to be pulling it back. You can see how I'm trying to pull my hair back. So I'm going to pin it down at the back of my puff to hide it and to keep it in place. How do you see it in a puff? Beautiful, right? I'll just go ahead to gently put my hair in a bun. I'm sorry I could not show that part, so you can see how beautiful and how simple this hairstyle is. This can also serve as a bridal hairstyle. You just have to add some accessories to it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.